Today we are installing the MBRP Installer Series 3-inch catback exhaust, which fit all 2014 and up Silverados. The required tools for this install are an exhaust puller, penetrating lubricant, a 14mm socket, and a 3/8 impact ratchet. Install the extension pipe to the existing flange using the clamp removed earlier. Leave the hardware loose enough for some adjustment. The extension pipe will not need cutting for the crew cab short bed or the extended cab long bed. Slide the 3-inch hanger clamp onto the rear of the extension pipe and into the existing rubber insulator. Install the mid-pipe using a 3-inch clamp if required. Install the muffler onto the extension pipe or mid-pipe using the 3-inch clamp. Feed the passenger side over axle pipe and the driver side over axle pipe into the rear of the muffler. Slide two 2.5-inch clamps onto the rear of the muffler. Install the hangers on the over-axle pipes onto the factory rubber insulators. Slide the passenger side tailpipe hanger into the rearmost rubber insulator. Slide a 2.5-inch clamp onto the passenger side tailpipe and then attach it to the passenger side over-axle pipe. Using the fasteners provided, attach the hanger assembly to the bottom of the frame. The hole is located just in front of the factory trailer hitch bracket. Install the driver's side tailpipe hanger into the insulator on the hanger assembly. Secure it to the driver's side over axle pipe using a 2.5-inch clamp. Install and adjust the exhaust tips by tightening the bolt located on each exhaust tip. Align the exhaust as required before tightening the clamps. Starting at the front of the exhaust, tighten all clamps and connections. Check along the length of the exhaust system to ensure that there is adequate clearance around the spare tire, fuel and brake lines, or any wiring. If any interference is detected, relocate or adjust. You have completed the install of your MBRP Installer Series 3-inch catback exhaust, which fit all 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado.